might be a hot take, but I think AI will create more opportunities for us to do more things in person.
Right.
Because so
you take retreats twice a year.
Yes. Yes.
Which is important,
yes.
right? Because some people are like work, and they don't take the time to do that. A retreat can actually be a great time to reset. And also, that's a great time to also come up, like you said, you were hiking and walking and coming up with ideas during that time. It's not like you're not working. Thinking is work sometimes, and just trying to sit down with people and figure things out. But imagine like during that time, if there's some type of automated responses that can happen or intel that can be gathered that makes life easier.
Yep.
So when you're on your retreat, you can just one time check your computer, and see.
This might be a hot take, but I think AI will create more opportunities for us to do more things in person.
Right.
Because so much of our online life is going to be agent, what they call, automated or by agents, so that you could have that retreat and you still have an agent that's closing deals, checking emails, organizing things for you on your behalf, so that you can get outside and spend more time together.
Yeah, see my face. Yeah, I know I'm shook.
I'm going to come on one of those retreats. Okay?
Yeah.